In this video, I'm just going to show you how to unblock Roblox users. I'll be showing you how to do this today on the web-based version of Roblox, but you can follow along and do this on your preferred platform. The buttons are the same, but obviously they may be in different places. So if this video does help you out today, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it, and it does help this video get out to more people. And without further ado, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you're going to want to do is either come across to roblox.com, or you want to open up the Roblox application if you prefer to use that instead. And if you're not already, you just want to go ahead and log into your account. So once you've logged in, you'll be taken to your dashboard, and what you're going to want to do is come to your settings from here. So if you are using the Roblox app, if you look in the bottom right hand corner, you should have 3 dots. And if you give that a click, it will give you the option to go into the settings from there. However, if like me, you use the web-based version, what you're going to want to do is come and click onto the gear icon, which is up here in the top right hand corner. And then you want to come and click onto settings. What this is going to do is take you across to your settings page, which will look like this. And to actually unblock users that you've blocked in the past, it's very, very easy to do. What you're going to want to do is come to this menu on the left hand side and go and click onto privacy. And then from here you just need to scroll all the way down to the bottom, and you'll see you're going to get this section here which says blocked users down here at the bottom. So it tells you how many users you're blocking. There is a limit of 100 users that you can block. You can't block any more than that. So what you want to do from here is just click onto this black show button across here, and it's going to display all the users that you've unblocked. And to unblock anyone, all you need to do is simply click this unblock button here, and that's going to unblock them from your block list. So you'll have a list of all the people you've blocked, and you just need to scroll down and click unblock on all the ones you want to unblock. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So I hope you did find that helpful today, and if this did help you out, as I say, please consider leaving a like and maybe dropping a comment saying it helped you out. I really do appreciate it. It does help the video get around to more people. And with that being said, I will see you in the next one.